Hello guys, section 189 of the Companies Act. Section 189 is all about the register of contracts or arrangements in which directors are interested. Register of contracts. Directors are interested. That means section 184. So first point is it is a mandatory to keep register. It is a mandatory to keep register giving the particulars of the two contracts or arrangements. This is mainly with concerned which transaction? Section 184(2), that is the interested director transactions. Interested directors, or section 188 related party. So mandatory to keep register with concern the contracts or arrangements so are required under section 184 subsection 2, that is with concern to interested director, or section 188 related party. So we will move on. So it is a duly filled and updated register shall be placed before the next board meeting. Next board meeting they have to keep that register placed before the next board meeting, and signed by all the directors. All the directors present. So this should be placed before the next board meeting, not annual general meeting, next board meeting. It should be maintained in the form MBP4. And the directors or a key manager person within 30 days of appointment or a relinquishment disclose particulars specified under section 184 subsection 1 relating to his interest in other association or other information relating to himself within 30 days of appointment. Or a relinquishment disclose whatever the particulars specified under section 184 subsection 1 within 30 days of the appointment or a relinquishment, whatever the information relating to himself. And the important point come now, that is that register must be kept at registered office. Okay, kept at registered office and open for inspection for business hours only. Okay, Next, extracts. What about the can they take copies? Yes, extracts may be taken and copies may be required by the members furnished. Extracts and copies can be taken by the members from the company. And the very important point, and which is asked in the examination, this is the point: it shall be produced at commencement of the annual general meeting and remain open accessible during continuance of meeting. So it should be kept open in the AGM at the time of the meeting, and it should be given to the meeting in case of a member asked to do so, to any member. What about the proxy? Even proxy has right to inspect. This was a question asked by the ICI in the examination with regard to this point. Again, it shall be produced at commencement of AGM and remain open and accessible during continuance of meeting to any member. Even proxy has a right to inspect. So I hope this MCQ is possible again in this question, whether proxy can open and access the register. So moving on to next, section 189 subsection 5 talks about the exceptions to maintaining the register. There is a this will not be applicable to the contracts or arrangements. First one, for the sale, purchase or supply of the goods, materials or services, if value of such goods, materials or cost of service does not exceed does not exceed does not exceed 5 lakh rupees. That's in aggregate. And the B for banking company. And the about the penalty, section 189 subsection 6, penalty: director who fails to maintain the register, fine 25,000 rupees. 25,000